Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another unboxing video coming from Xmcosy. This is going to be the 49-foot RGB outdoor string lights, 15 bulbs. Here's all the good stuff. So there's an app you can use for Android or Google. I'll be using the iPhone. Put that right there. So here we go. Oh, cool. Also with, what's her name? Alexa. Here we go. Side. Pretty heavy box. You know, all the good stuff that comes inside. Alright, guys. Take a look. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's safe. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. Add this item to your cart. Check out fast. And they'll ship this to you fast. And also, if you got some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. Whoops. Here we go. Oh boy. Man. Oh man. There we go. Get some stuff in here. How do you hold it together? Fix a guy wired to structure. Okay, kind of cold to be setting this up, but we'll just test it out. In here, we got the manual. It's gonna have the QR code. Scan for the app. Xmcosy. But I could set all this stuff up and show you guys how easy it is to use. But for a display, we'll just have to go normal. Download the app. Plug it in. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Alright. Anyone can do it. There we go. Readjust this a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, we got, oh boy. Man, this where do I begin? Alright, here's a power source. So we'll put this out here. It's like all discombobulated. There we go. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh boy. Okay. Well, I could at least plug it in for you guys. Show you. Ooh. Okay. Pretty fancy. Let's remove these plastic. Alright. That one, look at that. And once I run the app, we'll have more control of these lights. Right now it's out of control, flashing. These would be good for your YouTube videos, do it outdoors, indoor parties, outdoor parties. There we go. Now we got them out of the way. Okay, grab my trusty iPhone here. And we're gonna find this app. Take a look at this cord though. Got this bracket thing going here. A lot of wiring. Jeez. Be nice for bars to have, or maybe have an outdoor patio set up. What is this? Emergency reset. Must be a circuit breaker type. Okay, I'll get it spread out as much as I can for the video at least. But like I said, I don't know where I'm gonna stick these right now. Try to fit it all in one shot. All right, now open your app up. Go to the App Store. Oops, there's a bulb on loose. There we go. Put that right there. Here we go. It's called Xmcosy. Is the where's the app store? There it is. So you just log into your app, go to search, you know how to do it. Type in Xmcosy. Cozy Plus. See, it's right there, Cozy Plus. And that's what it's gonna look like. Get it? Oh shoot, password. Hmm. Okay. Don't worry, I'm here. Just okay, there we go. Took a second. I forgot the password. But here we go. Pretty cool. We'll shut the lights off once we get the app rolling. See how bright they are? Now, and it's loading pretty quick, so should be a few seconds. But pretty cool light, so. And there we go. Just whoop. Click on open. There we go. Log in. Sign up, actually. Agree. Email. 1800 at Gmail. Has a verification code. Here we go. Okay, it's gonna ask you to set a password. Done. Okay, allow. Okay, allow while using app. Got it. Get it. So that's gonna be the basic setup. So you go add. Here we go. Go to add. That was pretty easy. Okay, and then it's gonna ask you for your password. Hopefully I got it right, this password. Oh, please. See, it's gonna load that up. It's gonna hopefully connect if I got the right password. So make sure you got your correct password. And then it should load up any second. There we go. Boom. Alright. String lights. You could name it. It's gonna call it party lights. See, you can name your device party lights, just so your Alexa device will register it. Oops. Alexa, cancel. So see, she's very sensitive. Okay, we got it. Learn it. Okay. Oh, pretty cool. Different scenes. You can have pick two. I'm gonna shut the lights off now since we got the app running. And see how bright these things are. Alright. Oh yeah, they look good. good. See, that would be like for Christmas. That's green and red. And then you can slowly adjust. There we go, there's Christmas. That's more green and red. And then multi. Looks pretty cool. So you have a nice patio outside set up. Like a nice bar outside. Really cool. Waterproof and everything. Chase. Whoa. Did something. And America. Red, white, and blue. 4th of July. Someone's birthday that's been on 4th of July. Maybe military type. You could celebrate some parties with that. That's pretty cool. Has a nice glow to it. Blink. Whoa. That's a party. Fade. This is strobe. And then fade. It's gonna be chilled. Great for like barbecue. You know. Pulse. That's pretty cool. My neighbor's like, what is going on in that room there? It's pretty bright though. And you can always go schedule the timers and stuff like that. Just don't feel like doing that right now. Color. And here's all the you can have. So that's really cool. And you can make it brighter. That's pretty bright. Go that one. I like that blue. It's a nice little blue they got. Saturation. Whoa. Yeah, I'm liking that. Kind of looks like ocean. What else I could do to this thing? You could remix some colors together. Alright. That's pretty cool. And now, you guys should know how to do the add devices once you put on the Alexa app. Just search for new device and whatever you called it. Like mine would be party lights, so pick up party lights. And then once you link those up, it'll just say turn on the lights. So pretty cool. Definitely check them out. Nice 49-foot RGB smart outdoor string lights. Get them now. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.